How to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. Want to transfer your USDT from Binance to Bybit? In this quick guide, I show you the exact steps to make it smooth and secure transfer between the two platforms. Let's get started. Open the Binance app or website and log in. Navigate to the wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. In your wallet, locate USDT and click on Withdraw. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer to Bybit. Now, get your Bybit deposit address, so log into your Bybit account and go to the Assets tab and select Deposit. Choose USDT as the currency and select the matching blockchain network, for example TRC20 or ERC20. Copy the deposit address displayed. Paste the Bybit deposit address into Binance's withdrawal field and select the same network that you chose in Bybit. Confirm the transaction details carefully, and now verify the withdrawal request using two-factor authentication on Binance, and once submitted, Binance will process the transaction. After a few seconds or a few minutes, check your Bybit Assets tab to confirm the USDT deposit, and blockchain confirmation times may vary, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Bybit. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe, and check the description for related tips. Thanks for watching.